Hello friends, welcome back to famous, creative, well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on different types of databases. We have seen plenty of videos on MySQL. We have seen plenty of videos on PostgreSQL. We have seen plenty of videos on MongoDB. We have seen plenty of videos on SQLite. But I'm back with new creative videos on DuckDB. I had done few videos on DuckDB database long back 1 year ago with Python for Streamlite, like data analytics, different queries and this thing. But here I'm back with Node.js. I will try to explain in short what is DuckDB. DuckDB is a serverless database. Serverless database in the sense, I will try to explain in brief. When you have seen PostgreSQL database, we need to install Postgres database. I have done video on Postgres database. It is having port number. Then the daemon process is continuously running of the Postgres database. Means whether the system are active or inactive, but daemon process is continuously running in the backend of Postgres database. Similarly, MySQL database, the daemon process is continuously running when the system start or stop, whatever it may be. We are having URL for MySQL database, for Postgres database. We have seen for MySQL database we are having port number 3306. For Postgres database we are having port number 5432. But we are talking about DuckDB database. DuckDB database is NoSQL database. Is serverless database. That means whenever your DuckDB database is installed and it is executing the program, the contents are stored in the files. And whenever we are executing the program, the file is active. And whenever we are not executing the program, the file is inactive, because that file is there in your application. Whenever the application is running, your file is active of DuckDB database, and whenever the application is not running, then the file is sleeping, means it is deactive. So this part are very different from Postgres and MySQL database. Similarly, we have seen EC2 in long back ago as on video on EC2. When it comes to serverless database engine, I need to buy the space for the serverless database engine, because for the cloud, on the cloud, because it is a serverless database. Means we need to buy the database and we need to buy the space and where we can store the tables and rows and column and these things. So that part is different from DuckDB database, and that part is different from MySQL and Postgres database. You might have observed that whenever the system start, Postgres server is running okay. The system give message. When the system start, MySQL server is running okay. That means the server are continuously running in the back end of Postgres MySQL databases. But DuckDB database, serverless database, this process are not continuously running in the back end. They are running only when the program is active and not are deactive when the program is not running. We can see here. Here this part is for DuckDB database. You might have observed that it only written in the file. Just I told you here, not the URL is there, like port number is there, nothing is there, and it runs create table. Okay, URL encoded true, that means I can enter new values, because this body parser, sorry, this middleware is used, inbuilt middleware, mean true means I can, and this middleware, these both are inbuilt middleware, and send file path index.html, registration and login. I will now execute the program. npm start. Yes, fine. Yes, I will do registration. Sachin. Yes, registration is successful. Now login. Yes, login is also successful. Now I successfully done with DuckDB database in different style, in different manner. In my upcoming videos, I will explain, try to more explore on DuckDB database. Try to focus on such type of database, because in future you might get job and you might require such operation related to files, like serverless database, very beneficial for your job. So I will be back with new creative ideas, new creative videos on DuckDB database, on SQLite database, on MySQL database, on MongoDB database, and many more. For latest update about JavaScript with Node.js, React.js, and MongoDB and MySQL and Postgres, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.